Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka National Students Union of India kalapha ada ka jingtho sha uba lakmen rumbui uba dai menteri uba pai jaga tanat puli puthi jong ka sarkar jilla halor ka jingkerpat ban mapno arpho hadu arphu 1% ye ka bai school bat ka bai college jong ki khna school bat ye ki samla puli hadin bagi kmegi ki pa ki lado ban lej shala ki jong ki belas ngi nakadaw ka jing penjari jong ka sarkar ye ka jing khangdam hagini ki arbanai baladeb khanang ban yada na ka jing saphriang jong khnyang jingpang covid-19 hapo kani ka jilla Meghalaya u president jong kani ka seng usamla ban sharai lang pingrop habaya kren bat kilat pathai khubor uloong baka sarkar kadai ban penmi ru daga jingptha shabaro ki jaka pule ki badan hapo kani ka jilla baki dai banda pej bat bishar baka jingmap e hadu arphu 1% ya ka bai school bat ka bai college kanlong khamtam e ya ki to ki khna school bat ki samla pule ki ba wan ne ki longying ki baduk bakardo bat ki bala yakendo jing e shisha hakum gani ka por baka jingpang khlam covid-19 kalawan linshop ting e haka sen ka baar yakani ka jilla Meghalaya
ka jing khmu jong kani ka press conference ka de halor ka jing pha jing ya ka sithi bangin kerpat ya u menteri jong ka tanat ka puli ka puthi jong ka jilla ya ka ba ni kerpat yu ya ka ba ka sarkar kan simkhia ban penduna ban direct ikini ki schools but ki colleges ane jilla jangi ya ka mungkin penduna ya ka bai school but ka bai college kumpili ka effect nane ka jikta jong kani ka lockdown hakini ki urbanite nada kalong sha ka ba kata ya ka ba bon na padang ki longyeng ki manyeng ki ba ki jong padang ki jing ka jing jinjar ka ba kraw ba jemla ru tangban yo ya ka bam ka biang hakis haman ki sngi baki ki ai jing ya lanti jing ki hakini ki sngi tenlor kata ngila pha ekani ka thi ta magi khlam yo ka reply ane ka jubab na menteri te nilasan ni kani ru ka sithi ling ba kamel handai khlam yo kata tingi pha no da ka physical copy show menteri ling ba personal secretary jung apa secretariat hak arung fratrik bangin dawa yang keju ikamat ban penduna yaki by school baki by college andai hadu mentala astio tam klempat yo kono reply bat ngem pat ui kono action bikin deliberate dan bikin discuss apa ke kabinet ni ki discuss ka baki smutu ban frame taki policy sekarang ki te halor kani asmoba kadon ka filian
Bahaka kanar tarik ujumang alhajal akuai ni atho show education minister badan buram jaka jela jungi ba lakman rumboy ba in mam no 1% naki by school ba ki by college jongki khna ka jela Meghalaya nakadaw ka jingjur ka lockdown hakatu ka por ni lapha da ka email ye minister badan buram hendai mat ka jing bunkam jungi ka ne ka jing khon ni ka covid te ka ne ka reply ki khamyo beneng kami i kano ka action ne ka senjam ben shim ka ne ka benta tingna tho biang shi how arko pratrik ujulio arajal kuwai pat kane ka shithi ngina submit shei personal secretary jungi te mentala shiteo la palat te ka reply ngi padyo te ngina ke na sioi ngi ko abanya demand nginang ya beteng ka demand jungi ka arko 1% kata ka bahkan penduna ka by school but by college namar ba nilayo i bat ngiru ngia syam ya ka jingkta jong kene ka lockdown pi ka lockdown ka dei ka badan kam hendrei ka dan pat ka jingkta hakiwe kiliang mentah ki pat ba hakti jong ki kamdan ka paisa haba ka khang ka yo ka hat ka pisa he kan mi dei de haba ka sarkar ka long namenta pat ba te mentangi ki pai ba ni dan kam ya phi ka sarkar to wan yarap yangi khna puli mar na kane ka jing yarap juki jong ka sarkar kan long ka jing ai men sim ki khna bakin nang yai beteng ka jing puli jong ki namar ka ka basusi ka long ba hane ka jela Meghalaya jungi ka drop out rate ha ka primary level kadai kaba we naki bahek do apa baru kerja remake re India mo hari India ka average kalong 100% ka drop out rate hapo maglia jungi pade kapoi hadok 4% te philanget mo hadok prangot nong sispa oba 8 school ha primary level kine baru khoi phi balai kilong kine baru khoi dai ngi i menta ki khna ki buan na kinong kendong ki bawan na kinong kendong namar bakim don ki college hapo ki caka jongki nelana lane bakine ki school puli hapo ki caka jongki kimlong ki bada biang kata ka quality ki baong kim na biang te ki hawan hasor shilong ki banagaro hill skill high village hapo bernihan habalong kum tamut ki dawan hasilong ki hap sawai dai ki hap mentah halor jong kata ka by school halor sa kata kene kas by ye halor jong by ye yang nata ki kimi ki pa ki hapen thiet so ki smartphone ki khna namar baro ki class ki long online baro ki exams su mental online. And when we turn to these online exams and online classes, the problem of frequent power cuts has really affected our education, because all of us sitting here, we are students. We feel it because we are having an online class now, and when the electricity goes off, the network also is bad, battery is low, and these are problems which students face, which nobody is addressing. Therefore, we demand from the government, or we appeal to the government to really look into this matter. And we, the NSUI, we also request NEHU to also not charge examination fees, since all exams are now online, so we have to use our own paper, which does not make sense for examination fees. See, these assistances by the government, if it provides, it will be an encouragement for all students across the state, the fruits of which will be seen in the future. The government, every government in fact, has to ensure that with every passing generation, the people become more and more educated. And being educated simply doesn't mean having a degree. Being educated means people are more open-minded. They see new opportunities, or they are open to more opportunities. It makes the state richer, not a few people richer, but the state richer. And it makes also the world equal. Education does that. Therefore, we again request our Honorable Minister to seriously consider this appeal by the NSUI, as it will be a seed that will be sown today for the fruits of tomorrow.